guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be talking about a new promising game based on Mr. Elon Musk's vision to go on Mars. We will be talking about ElonMars.io. It's a new game in the horizon. The concept is not really new for Mr. Elon, but the game's concept is based on this ambitious project, so we will go through it in the next few minutes. But first of all, this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and without any further ado, let's just dive deep into the topic. So guys, here we are on the platform ElonMars.io. Elon on the Mars, Elon Musk and his team managed to get on Mars. Now we have a lot of work to do to develop the planet. Well, of course, the idea is quite well known. Everyone knows that Mr. Elon Musk has some ambition to get to Mars, and eventually we will get there. So what to do now? You can play the game here and you can buy the SPX. SPX, that's the native coin for this game, and you can have the contract address over here. So let's elaborate more and let's understand what's going on. ElonMars is a farming simulation game based in which you have to develop your own land on Mars, and you will need to extract resources, develop your farm, and much more to survive on this new planet. And the better you develop your land, the more resources, in-game currency back you get. So it's quite a simple kind of concept for the game, and ElonMars is a game based on the Binance blockchain, and the game uses 2 tokens SPX and 3 BUSD. Your main task here is to get the in-game currency, getting the SPX, and then you can develop the game more. And of course, the game is automatically using the smart contract to distribute any profits you make, and then you can read the white paper to understand more. So let's check the white paper over here, and you can understand that the white paper is quite elaborative over here, and you can scroll through it, understand it all, and grasp the whole ideas. And it's a crypto gaming platform. The project is found, and it's an inspiration to the Happy Harvest games and as well as SpaceX program. Desire of millions to colonize Mars and go over there, and it's a metaverse principles that rewarded the Gbaks here by playing the interacting with the ecosystem. So you can scroll through all the white paper, and you can go here to the gameplay, you can go to the PvP, and you can also go to the roadmap and technologies and tokenomics. Again, let's have a look at the tokenomics here, because that's quite important. Many people are looking for numbers for tokenomics. As you can see here, you will find it well elaborated and very transparent in front of you, and also the wallets are visible in front of you, so there is transparency, which is quite fundamental, and you can understand how and where the tokens are moving. As you can see here, open sale, founders and team, charity, game incentives, and marketing and partnerships, distributions, and here is the total. So you can have a look at it, you can understand it more. Speaking of roadmap, let's have a look at the roadmap, see what's going on here. By the way, before we jump into the roadmap, if you're ready to start your game, be sure to go to their white paper. You will find the necessary information. Also, you can find it on Discord here. You will find it once you scroll down all the way. You will find Discord, and once you click Discord, it will open for you over here, and then you can understand what's going on, and they are updating you with relevant information. So I would highly advise you to check Discord and also check their Telegram. It's over here, so you can open it and you can just subscribe to the channels over there, and you can get also the latest update. Q4 2022, last year, that was the brand information, development of game mechanics, and here the website launch and game development and much more. Q1 2023, smart contract, that's done. SPX token launch, that's done. Game and smart game contract gaming testing, it's done. Social media launch, that's done, and game release, that's also done. So Q2, which we're currently in, that's a global update 2.0, Mars City update, multiplayer, custom and adding visual settings, and NFT collection, and new updates, the SC features. As you can see, the Q4 last year, Mars was kind of inhabited and empty, and now they're kind of colonizing, and now they're even colonizing more and developing the game more. So it's quite a nice touch over here to have this interactive figures, but generally speaking, the roadmap is quite clear and everything are well presented in front of you. So going down here, you will find that the game itself is having this illustrative video. You can use it, you can just understand it, you can see what's going on, and here you will find the team itself. The team is consisting of 4 main characters. These are the founders or the main foundation for this project and the main brain behind this project. As you scroll down, you will find the video guides, and you can find how to play. The how to play is quite nice as well, but in general, it's just building and colonizing your plots of land. And here you'll find a lot of videos on YouTube to get yourself acquainted with the idea in different languages, I believe, so you can get yourself comfortable with the game and how to play it and how to understand it. But let me just reiterate great, you will need to go to their Discord and you will need to go to their Telegram to get yourself more and more updated information and not miss a thing. And as you play more, you will find yourself gaining more potential in the game and gaining more capabilities within the game, and also the gamers will have a lot of advantages, and also the active players will be on the wish list or the wait list, and they will get more and more advantages within the game. So I would say get yourself ready and buckle up, because this game is gonna be to the moon, or to Mars actually, and the team behind this game is quite enthusiastic and are kind of encouraging people to play the game more and to get this game going, as the news about Mars is kind of developing. So the game will develop as well, and people will get more and more interested, and the Discord community is growing and the Twitter community is growing. It's just a couple of months old here and it's 808 followers, so you also might need to consider jumping on their social media as well and getting yourself acquainted with the community, because it's a growing community. So it's good for you to start earlier and to understand everything earlier. And as you can see, people are interactive, people are just happy to answer, and things can be taken from there. So as you can see here, that's a quick overview of the game. It's quite interesting, and Mars will definitely be touched by humans anytime soon, probably in years, probably in decades, I don't know, but eventually we will be getting there. So it's good for you as a player or as a gamer to have yourself kind of the training needed for survival on Mars, and to give your concept on how to develop the planet, and just this game will do so. So keep an eye on it and inform yourself more. Everything is linked down below in the description. Understand it more, educate yourself, and you will find it quite amusing. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about ElonMars.io, based on the concept or the ambitious project of Mr. Elon Musk going to Mars and sending people to Mars. So it's quite an entertaining idea right now, so I would highly advise you to check the links down below. The game has a lot of potential, the big game is kind of interesting, and people are more and more interested about going to Mars and even playing games simulating being on Mars. So have a look at it, inform yourself more, get yourself acquainted with the idea, and educate yourself about the topic. Everything is linked down below in the description. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below. And as usual, till next time, bye bye.